Good morning, Bubs. Good morning. You had such a good snooze last night. Yes, you did. You did so good. Puppy and coffee. Great way to start the day. Let's go. Good boy. That's a real good walk. You coming, Levi?
There's something in my pocket.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh, an acorn. Is that from our hike the other week?
Yeah.
Let me see.
This.
That's cool.
Look. There's a hole in it.
A hole in the acorn? Oh, yeah.
There might be
I wonder if a bug made that hole.
Yeah, there might be something living in it.
That's a possibility, I guess.
Maybe a fly.
Oh.
Maybe a bird. A baby bird can't fit in here.
Oh.
That's so tiny.
Oh. Here comes Dad.
Oh.
Hi.
Hey, Bubs. Hey, Bubs. Let's go. Come on, Bubs. Come on, Bubs.
Oh. Good boy. That's a brave Bubs. And then he's like, now I'll go back.
Come on, Bubs.
You're so close, Bubs. Okay, come on, come on. Come on, come on. You got it, Bubs. Oh.
Yeah. He went in by himself at first.
He does that where he like goes halfway and then gets scared and tries to turn around when he's almost to the end.
I can do this.
Okay. Do it then.
Not too high.
It's not too high.
Nice job.
What is it?
There's a red berry.
A library?
A red berry.
A red berry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Water.
Cool.
Oh, he's gonna be a water dog too.
I guess. He'll be swimming in the pond before we know it. Hey, smile.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
Can I go in the pipe?
No, it's too deep right now.
Ladybug. Oh my God.
You working so hard?
Check on those goats.
Yeah, we should.
Don't terrify them.
He is pretty monstrously terrifying. Yeah, there you go. Go on that path. And then jump.
Dad.
Hi, guys.
Oh,
They're all there waiting to see ya this morning.
You want to eat the acorn?
Maybe.
All right, let's bring him in.
Oh, okay. Come here, Bubs. He does not want to.
Come on, Bubs.
Come on, Bubs.
Come on, Bubs. They might headbutt him. So.
Yeah. Bubs, you ready to get headbutt? Head, Bubs?
Hey. You're fat.
You're gonna get knocked over, dude.
Yeah, they're too busy eating to care about him.
You gonna eat some alfalfa?
Oh! He about landed on your head.
Wow.
Yikes.
Bubbles is like, oh, we're supposed to eat this grass. I see.
Yeah. He could just be another little goat.
The ugly goat.
Yeah, the ugly goatling. Oh, hi. Are you the pretty goatling?
This is gonna last us like 5 years.
Yeah. Good old Redmond Goat Minerals. So a contractor friend that my husband works with came over and very kindly dropped off some amazing fish for us. A thing of halibut and some salmon. And I'm going to be cooking this up. And I've actually been working on a carnivore friendly breading that is better than pork rinds alone. Pork rinds are good, but I find that after the food is cooked, they don't stay crispy and it kind of gets like gooey and it's not very pleasant. And so I've been playing with adding in some other ingredients to this breading, and I made some chicken nuggets day before yesterday. I was blown away by how good the breading was. And even my husband, who's not 100% keto and is used to eating like regular breaded chicken strips and chicken nuggets, he thought it was really good too. So good that he was okay with me doing it on this expensive, fancy halibut and salmon. So I'm going to film a recipe video for that breading. And I'm not sure if you guys will see that video before this one or not. Not sure how it's going to work out. But if you haven't seen the recipe video yet, it will be coming, and the written recipe will be available on my blog. But basically, the 3 ingredients are pork panko. This is just pork rinds crushed up. And this one has salt. If you hear something over here, it's this Bubs. Bubs, 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 go get your ball. Here, go get your ball. Oh, now you think I have food for you, huh? Oh, and you're going to sit down for it because you're such a good boy. Anyways, before we were so rudely interrupted, first ingredient is just the pork rinds. And this one does have salt in the ingredients. If you have one that doesn't have salt in the ingredients, then you'd add more salt probably than I'm going to add. And then some gelatin and some egg white powder. And so the difference between just the pork rinds alone and adding these 2 ingredients with it, so vast. You have to try it. Even if you have not enjoyed pork panko or pork rind crusted stuff before, try it with these ingredients added. I think you will be pleasantly surprised. And since we're doing fish, I'm going to use organic lemon pepper as the seasoning in the breading. And I think I'm going to try to film a Instagram reel or a YouTube short of doing this. So you may not see me doing a lot of cooking, but I will show you the finished product. And then if the short or the reel turns out, you will be seeing that separately as well. Perfect. What do you think of the salmon?
It's delicious and amazing, and I love it.
It would be better with the skin.
No,
I don't know why.
it would not be better with the skin.
I don't know why you refuse to eat the delicious part. It's about 4:30 p.m. and this dog has zonked out. He's been sleeping for quite a while because he fell asleep on Charity, and then she was able to wriggle out from under him because he was using her as a pillow. And then he just flopped back down and has been sleeping. We've been trying to do the newborn thing of keeping him awake in the evening so that he's tired and ready to go to bed when we're ready to go to bed. So we're probably going to make sure he's up here in, I don't know, within an hour, which he probably will be. And then we'll be doing a lot of playtime to get him tired out. But the last 2 nights, he has slept for at least 6 hours. I think one night he slept for 7, and then last night he slept for 6, which is great. I had some of the carnivore breading left over from the fish at lunch, and this is obviously not something you want to save for any length of time after it's had raw fish dipped into it. So I wanted to use it up and not waste it. So I defrosted some chicken wings, and I'm going to do the same thing with them that I did with the fish. I'm going to add an egg and a little bit of cream in here, toss it up, and then bread it. And then I am going to try to cook the wings in my air fryer. After I get them all breaded and in the air fryer, I will spray them with some avocado oil spray. So hopefully that will help them get some browning. All right, just giving these a quick spray. I was barely able to get the last few wings. There wasn't quite enough of the breading for all the wings, but I kind of made it work. So some of them are a little sparse, but then these other ones look really good. I usually cook my wings for 20 minutes at 400, so I'm gonna start that and then check on them and pull them out if they get done faster than that.
Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good. Sit. Good. Sit.
Oh, these are looking so good. There's still 12 minutes and they're already looking pretty crispy, so I probably won't make it the whole 20 minutes. Just want to give them a flip. These have eggs, baby. Sorry.
What is that?
I need to make you some yummy food that has no eggs, huh? Chicken wings.
I want one.
But they have eggs.
Yeah.
I thought some sweet and sticky buffalo sauce would be really good for the chicken wings. So that is what I am making. I do have a recipe video for the sweet spicy chicken wings, buffalo wings. I will put that in the cards.
We're gonna get the bowl.
Anyway, Mama is a good cook. Just let her take care of it.
We'll get the bowl. I mean, a bowl. Noodles in, and then we put them in a bowl.
What are you having for dinner?
Noodles.
Noodles.
You can't really see them. This is the sauce.
That's the sauce, not for the noodles. That's sauce for the chicken wings.
Yeah.
And these are the noodles, right? And do you like noodles?
Yep.
And you were saying earlier you like the noodles that float?
Yeah.
What do they float in?
Broth, but we don't
Broth.
have any.
Yeah, we're out of chicken broth, so we'll just have to try to put spices on them and make them yummy that way.
Yeah,
And they won't float. Oh well.
But we could maybe later we could get some.
Get some broth. Yeah.
Yeah!
Or we could make some. Did you know we know how to make chicken broth?
No,
We do?
but let's get them. Let's get them later.
Yeah, later. We should have got it at Costco when we were there the other day.
Yeah.
And we forgot. Oh well.
Oh well.
Oh well.
I like the sauce, but I can't.
Yeah, I think it's about done.
Wings.
Yeah, because they have eggs. All right, we're going to pull this off. That's definitely done.
No, that's when we're done. Put the noodles in.
Not yet. It's not boiling yet.
I know. I just want to put it in. But when it's done, put big in.
The chicken wings turned out really tasty. The breading kept its crunch even after coated in the sauce, which was really delicious. It was a little bit too salty for me between the salt and the pork rind crumbs, the seasoning I had added, and the sauce. So next time I will adjust for saltiness. How are your not floating noodles?
Good.
Good. I'm so glad.
They still feel chewy.
Oh, is that good?
Yep.
Okay.
And also sometimes when they're not chewing the water,
Mm-hmm.